Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying everyone runs the same build and any required DLC. Mismatches break sessions. Next, assign a static local IP to the host so forwarding stays consistent, then open the game's UDP and TCP ports on your router. Use UPnP if available to simplify this. Once done, test port reachability with a simple network tool so you know packets can traverse. This prevents confusing in-game, unable to connect errors, and gets you into the actual session setup faster. You now create the multiplayer session. Choose a dedicated server or let a player host from their client depending on latency needs. Configure matchmaking to friends or private, set max players, and enable any synchronization options like physics, tick rate, or rollback settings to reduce desync. Make sure the host's NAT is open. If a strict NAT appears, switch to a relay or matchmaking server mode to route traffic. Once synchronized, invite players and confirm everyone sees the same car list and map before driving. You finish by running a short warm-up lap with all players to validate position sync and latency behavior. Listen for rubber banding or teleporting. If jitter or collisions appear, temporarily lower the authoritative tick rate or enable client-side interpolation to smooth movement. This trades a bit of immediacy for stability. If problems persist, re-verify port forwarding and UPnP, try a VPN or relay service to bypass carrier NAT, or change the host to another player with a better connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.